In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing website inside your GoHighLevel account so you can reuse layouts, preserve design consistency, and move faster without rebuilding from scratch. First, open GoHighLevel and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the top of the app, confirm you're in the right location or workspace where the website you want to clone lives. If you manage multiple locations, this quick check can save you from cloning the wrong site. Next, look to the left side menu and click Sites. This is where all your web assets are organized. Inside Sites, switch to the Websites section. GoHighLevel separates funnels and websites into different tabs, so make sure you're on websites to see the standard site projects you can clone. Use the search bar to find the website you want to duplicate. Type a distinctive part of the site's name to filter the list. If you don't see it at first, double check your spelling or verify that you're still in the correct location. When you find the website, move to the right side of its row and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the Actions or Options menu. From the drop-down, choose Clone. This opens a dialog where you'll set the details for your new copy. Enter a clear descriptive name for the cloned website. A good naming convention might include the purpose, client, or date, so you can immediately tell the clone apart from the original. This makes it easier to manage multiple versions without confusion. Next, choose the destination location. You can select up to 3 locations if you need to deploy the same website to multiple sub-accounts. Keep in mind that locations in GoHighLevel act like separate containers for assets and settings, so pick the places where the clone truly needs to live. If you're unsure, start with one location. You can always repeat the process later. Once your name and locations are set, click Confirm. GoHighLevel will begin creating the duplicate. Depending on the size and number of pages, this can take a moment. When it's done, you'll see the cloned website appear in your list with the name you provided. It's a full copy you can safely edit without affecting the original. That's it. You've successfully cloned a website in GoHighLevel. Use this workflow whenever you need a reusable template, want to test design changes on a copy, or need to roll out similar sites across multiple locations quickly and consistently.